Onya siri bakutele kini kina sio nebaino. Ikola mono na menwegi nwa. Ikola mono na menwego. Kanjolo ge wane maboge buchi nenyewa. Sister mo, never you mind them. Onyinye chukwodi ele kwa nwa o. Okono destiny mmadụ sọsọ na n'oge ka ọ ga-egbuchake emelu mala esiteghị ya n'ọnwụ onyinye Chukwu dị ga-elekwa nwa.
Kona boot ya kama. I made a stop to fill gas. Ida bibia. You see? Kancholia ye mwemba. Mama mwe. Bia. Kancholia. One more tuna. Oh. At least they drew cake I see June or cake and mammy. If you're a motor cake, you see June or some no go say go. Your skill at school?
Yes, in my ballet. They didn't even bother to teach me anything, but I learned it.
You learned it yourself?
Yes.
Even when they did not teach you, so how did you learn?
Yes, you did. I learned it.
How did you learn now?
I just came and
I thought everything you people learn in that ballet, they must teach you.
Yes, my classmate that told me about ballet said before I started learning it, and ballet teacher came. Yes, because she has been doing ballet in her school.
He has just been gisting me here. They are ready for school. So yeah, go.
Bye bye.
Sammy. Bye, Sammy.
See you tomorrow. I mean, see you tomorrow.
See you in the afternoon. Bye. My husband is here to pick them up. Oh God, I don't know what I'll be doing today. Oh, I'll be taking my mom to the hospital again today to go and continue her treatment, and then I'll come back, cook what Danny and Sammy will eat after school. What else? I think I'll be filming a video today. Yes, I'll be filming a video. I'll make a stop at my house and get my equipment for filming. And then I need to film. This hair is bad now. I think it's time for me to remove you from my head. I'll catch up later, you guys. You guys, so I'm still at the family house. I'm still at the family house, but I'm about to go out now with my mom. See her. We are going to the hospital. So this is our day 2, our second day visit to the hospital. Yesterday we went. She did X-ray, some other tests. Finally, the doctor said it's spondylosis. That's what they called it. She's undergoing treatment now, so I have to take her to the hospital today and tomorrow again, so that she will go and complete her injections. Doctor said she should stop bending down, whatever that will make her bend down. So everything boils down to what I've been saying all this while, but she won't listen to me. But finally, maybe she will hear the one that the doctor said. I don't want anything to happen to you. I want you to be alive, to eat the fruit of your labor. You've suffered so much. You guys, I don't want anything to happen to her. So that's one of the reasons why I moved down to the family house with my children. So I can be helping her with things around the house, because Chamaka is in school and now she doesn't need to bend to do some of those things that she usually do. 80% of what she does in a day, you know, demands her to bend down. So that's why I'm here. So we are currently on our way to the hospital. I'll carry you guys along with me. Let me say hi. I'll catch up with you guys later. We just got to the hospital. I had to go and pick up this one.
Yes, it's such a boring day. I'm happy.
You're happy that you're with me now?
And I'm happy that I have
My mom is there coming.
Yeah.
See how she's working.
I'm happy that I have my
I picked Sammy and bought him food. So we just got to the hospital. Let's go. We are back home. We are back home. That's why I'm back with you. Somebody that went to take injection that is supposed to go inside and rest. She's there discussing about farmland with one of her friends. Hey, I'm happy that it was a successful journey. We're back home. I can't wait to eat this bitter leaf soup. I can't wait. What's that?
My yellow belt.
Sammy's yellow belt. Hey, you guys. It's getting quite late, but I'm going to the site, like our farm across the road, where we have that Udara tree. So that's where I'm going to now. Danny is already waiting for me there. I have orange. I'm going there to go and cut this palm fruit that we are going to be using to cook banga soup tomorrow. So tomorrow is Sunday. That's what we are going to use to cook it, and that's why we are going to go and harvest the palm fruit. I'll carry you guys along. Here we are. It's getting quite late, but we are still here. That's Danny and my mom's help, trying to harvest palm fruit. Oh God, see how they've cleared these sites everywhere. They are planning to build a house here. That's why they cleared all this place. You people should be careful, oh. I have to mkpụrụ akwụ n'abalị a. Ebupụtegodi isi first. Hey, mkpụrụ ya adasịsịchagokwa. Target ya ukwu ya anwa. See what I'm eating. See what I'm enjoying. Fried palm fruit. That's what I'm enjoying. See what I'm eating. I've shown you guys. Fresh palm fruit. We fried it on fire. Add salt. You will enjoy yourself. My mom is cooking. See our pot on fire. Cooking rice. Today is Sunday. We are cooking what we are going to be eating. That's the palm fruit we went to harvest yesterday. We went to cut. Yesterday. I saw I've missed this thing. What are going to do? Ah, Mama. I'm back in the kitchen. Can you see this now? See the apple that we are going to use for the stew. So fresh. Very, very fresh. That's the palm fruit that we are going to use for the stew. And we have ginger, garlic, and other local spice. Obey and ehuru. Mama, show me that ehuru.
You guys.
I see you guys. This is the ehuru.
Right, go just cook stew.
Stew. Hey, we are cooking. Oh, I would prefer my work to cook this too because me, I don't know how to cook ofaku. I don't know why. I don't know how to cook ofaku. I've tried to learn. I'll try and learn it today from her. So I'm happy we've gone to repair our washing machine. We used to have washing machine in this house, but it's spoiled. So now that I'm here, I went to repair because I'll be staying for another 1 or 2 weeks here. So that's why I went to repair it. I know you want to show. King, that's why you've been moving around.
I just love my distance, so they show.
Okay, your palm fruits.
Yeah, I'm not finished. Daddy gave me. Daddy gave me. Mom gave me the one I'm supposed to do. And it's still more than 17.
Alright. Omi man and his grandchildren. Omi man and his grandchildren.
Yeah. We have enjoyed the
palm fruits. I say we have enjoyed palm fruits. It's a yummy egusi. You guys, see what I'm sipping. I'm licking soup. I don't want to eat swallow now. I'll eat it at night, but my mom just gave me this one to be chilling with. What are you doing, Sammy?
I'm enjoying myself.
My wife. Oh, your wife was here today?
Yes.
You guys, Sammy's wife came around today. My son is getting married, finally. Sammy is finally getting married. How did you find your wife?
I just met her in church.
In church?
Yes.
How did you know she's your wife?
I just started calling her my wife.
You just saw her and started calling her your wife?
Yes, because...
How did you know she's going, the one that is going to be your wife now?
Yes, I saw it in my dream.
You saw her in your dream? Oh, wow. But she's older than you, oh.
Of course.
You don't care?
I don't care.
This love is too much, oh.
I don't care. I don't care. What
Omega, your grandchild is getting married to a woman that is older than her.
It has happened before.
It has happened before.
And it can happen again.
Hey, God, though.
It has been happening.
God, though. But you are not, your wife is not older than you. Now you are supporting Sammy to marry somebody that is older than her, than him.
Dictate for him.
You will not dictate for him.
I didn't believe it actually.
So you will not dictate for Sammy. Okay, oh.
I choose to marry. And I choose her.
You say?
I'm getting this is her wedding ring.
That's what you'll be getting next. Where will you get money to get a wedding ring?
Don't I have money?
In your savings?
Yes.
This love is serious, oh.